Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to check the location of photos on an Android. If you're using any Android phone and you want to check the location of the photos that where they were taken, so let's see how can you check that. You just have to enable a setting first. So open your camera and here just go for camera settings, and here you must have to look for location or location tags. Here's the setting. As you can see, I have already enabled that setting. You must have to enable the setting. Now after enabling setting, whenever you will take a photo, it will share with the location tag. So let's see how. You must have to make sure that you have enabled system location just like that. Now we're going to check our taken photo location. Just tap on the photo. Here you will easily get the view of your photo. Just tap on this info icon, and here you will get the location on where the photo will be taken. You can see there's a location. Here's the name of the location. So that's how you can easily check the location of the photos on any Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye.